Hunter Hamster, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Jesus turns water into wine, the miracle. So now let's start it. On the third day, there was a wedding feast in Cana, Galilee, where Jesus' mother was. Jesus and his disciples were also invited to the feast. When the wine ran out, Jesus' mother told him that they had no more wine. His mother said to her servants, "Whatever Jesus tells you, do what he asks." Because at that time, several jars of water were placed at the door of Jewish houses for washing hands. So Jesus told his servants to fill the jar with water. They are filled up to the top of the tank. Jesus also said that it can now be poured out and given to the banquet supervisor. As a result, a miracle happened. When the servant poured the water out of the tank, he found that the water turned into wine, and it's good wine, so they served it to wine to the guest. The person in charge of the banquet tasted the wine which was turned from the water, but didn't know where it came from. Only the person who took the water knew. The person in charge of the banquet called the groom to come and said to him, "Everyone serves the best wine first, and when the guests are full, then they serve the not-so-good wine. But you saved the good wine until now." This is the first miracle performed by Jesus, performed in Cana of Galilee, showing his glory. His disciples believed him. They believed that he was God, in charge of the work done by the hands of God, and had the authority to govern the natural world. When the disciples saw it, their confidence in him was deepened. They saw that this is a Lord who can control life. It is this Lord who can turn extremely ordinary water into wine, a source of joy. Jesus solved the difficulties before the groom and provided good wine for the guests. In fact, this behavior was an obligation that the groom should perform. At that time, this miracle represents the identity of Jesus as the future groom. In the future, Jesus will come to the world again to marry God's people. At the same time, Mary's instructions and the obedience of the servants also teach us that to experience miracles, we must have faith in God. Be willing to obey God absolutely and do what God commands, even something that may be wrong from a human's perspective or unreasonable things. Our Lord can make the ordinary things in life, through His touch, be filled with various flavors, aromatic rich and beautiful. It is like turning water into wine. He will accomplish this for any of us who faithfully follow Him, trust Him, and are willing to walk with Him. Now we finished the miracle. So bye.